Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. $5,940 in monthly revenue for this one product alone. Why, hello there, my name's Alicia and I'm here to help you create digital products that you can go ahead and sell on Etsy, helping you to earn a passive income on autopilot. So I hope you're really excited for today's video. As you may have seen in the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 top products, digital products that you can sell on Etsy. And I'm going to be sharing with you how I discovered these products using my all-time favorite Etsy research tool, Allura. So not only will I be demonstrating how to use this easy process to find these products using Allura's brand new Etsy research tool, it's called the Product Seeker, but I'll also be sharing with you resources and programs that I recommend you looking into so that you can actually start creating these products and selling them on Etsy for yourself. Now, I use Allura on pretty much a daily basis for my own Etsy shop. So if you want to go ahead and check out the Product Seeker tool that I'll be demonstrating in this video today, or the other tools that they have within their program, be sure to click the link in the description box below and it will give you a free trial to see if Allura is the right fit for you. Okay, so ready to get into today's video? All right, let's go ahead and dive on in. Okay, so once you have signed up for your Allura account, what you want to do is just go to my account here and it's going to open up all the research tools. Now to the left here, you're going to see Allura extension, keyword finder, and then product seeker. So this is the tool that we're going to be using today. So go ahead to product seeker and it's going to open up the product seeker tool for you. Okay, so this is where we're going to enter in some information in order to find the products that are bestsellers pretty much. So what we want to do is we are going to use this search tool here to actually type in the products that we're looking for. And then we're going to narrow it down by including some information here within the metrics and then also the item type here. So let's say we want to know whether or not Canva Templates is a profitable or successful product to sell on Etsy. Now, all you need to do is type in here in the search bar, Canva Templates. I'm going to leave category as all and country as all. But then under metrics, what I want to do is I want to kind of create a minimum amount for some of these. I don't want it to just find all the Canva templates on Etsy. What I want it to do is I want to find Canva templates that maybe have a minimum monthly sale amount or a minimum monthly total sales. Or total sales, for example. So in the total sales, perhaps if you wanted to only search for items that have 500 minimum sales, or if you want, the total revenue, you could do monthly sales and so on and so forth. What I like to do is actually go to the monthly sales. So this is the amount of items that are sold of this product as a minimum. And I like to type in there 30 because I think that that's a pretty good estimate of having a successful product. If you're selling 30 of those per month, as a minimum, then I think that that's a pretty good gauge on having a successful product. So I'm gonna put in 30 here and I'm gonna leave everything else blank for now. But then here under item type, let's go ahead and select digital item because I don't want non-digital items. I want it to actually be a digital item. I don't want it to search for any physical items. So let's go ahead and click on that and then go up here and hit the search button. So let's see what comes up. So here what I've done is I've actually changed this to be searching for the price. It's going to give me the monthly revenue, the monthly sales of that item, and then the total sales of that item. So you can see that this coaching client welcome package has made $1,155 in monthly revenue just on this single product alone. So just by looking at these numbers alone, you can tell that this is actually quite a successful product. Like we've got here 1,386 pounds, $798. I think anything around that, 500 and up in monthly sales, to me, is a successful product. So you can see here that there's a whole different range of Canva templates that's making more than $500 per month, okay? So even if you wanted to, you could actually refine the search. So what you could do is you could go to monthly revenue, the minimum monthly revenue of 500, for example. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So it'll refine the search even more. So go back to search, and now it's going to give us only monthly revenue with 500 plus. So there we go. So that's really, really interesting. So I would say that that's a successful product to sell. Let's go ahead and search the next product, which is digital planners. So all you need to do is go back up here to where the search bar is, type in digital planners, and then hit the search button. Now I'm sure that the refined search is going to stay the same. Yep. I might even get rid of monthly sales, minimum monthly sales, and leave the monthly revenue at minimum 500 and go search. And then Allura is going to go ahead and do its thing, come up with all the searches within Etsy. Wow, as you can see here, we've got Goodnotes Planner. So this Goodnotes Planner, a digital planner that sells for $17 Australian, has sold 9,316 Australian dollars just in the past month alone. That is incredible. They've had 548 monthly sales. Those are great, great numbers. Here we've got 2,184, 5,075. Going down again in Australian dollars. This is just absolutely mind-blowing. I didn't realize, even myself, I didn't realize how much people were making just with these digital planners alone. So another fantastic product to look into when, starting up an Etsy shop. And if you're thinking, what am I going to sell? Well, here is an absolutely fantastic product idea to get into. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'll be sharing all my favorite programs and resources so that you can actually get started with this product today. Okay, let's go ahead and go to now digital planner stickers or digital stickers. Let's see what comes up for that. Now, just keep in mind also that now depending on the type of product will determine, what kind of monthly revenue it creates. Obviously for digital stickers, if you're selling the digital sticker on its own, the average order value or the price for digital stickers is a lot lower than the actual digital planner itself. So just keep that in mind. But as you can see here, the top one here, digital notebook, digital planner. So obviously this is a collection of stickers, let's say, is earning $1,091 in monthly revenue. Here we've got $971, 571, over 1,000 pounds here, nearly 2,000 pounds here. Here we go, so $2,507. So if you incorporated, let's say, the digital stickers with a digital planner or a digital notebook, you could really create a profitable product that could see you earn, passive income online, which is just fantastic. So yeah, so that's my number 3 recommended product. So digital stickers or digital planner stickers. Okay, let's go ahead and do my final search, which is Procreate Brushes. Let's go brushes and see what comes up. I'm also going to leave the refined search as monthly revenue of minimum 500, and let's go search and see what comes up. Okay, so here we've got Procreate Brushes, 658 monthly revenue, 1,178 monthly revenue. Actually, what I might do is I might just take off brushes and just put in brush and see what comes up. Sometimes when you add the plurals in, sometimes it can muck around with the actual search itself. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. $5,940 in monthly revenue for this one product alone. That's incredible. Okay, so, just by looking at that alone, here is another fantastic product that you could sell on Etsy. All you need to do is learn how to create the actual Procreate brushes, so the brush sets, bundle them up, and then go ahead and sell them online. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, so as you can see, there's only the 3 here, but let's say I took off the monthly revenue and let's go total monthly sales actually. And let's go to monthly sales and let's just put in 30 there, because as I mentioned, the actual price per individual item might be a lot less. So you can see here, Procreate Brush, a $3.50 item, but they've sold 133 of them. So that's actually pretty good when you think about it. It's had 38 monthly sales. So yeah, just something to think about. But yeah, this is another fantastic idea that you might want to look into. Again, I will leave any resources or links in the description box below if you're interested in learning more about how to create Procreate brush sets. So like I promised, let's go ahead and dive on into some of the programs and resources that you can look into if you're interested in perhaps creating and selling these products for yourself. So the very first product that we looked into was Canva Templates. Now, if you've been around this channel for any amount of time now, especially since I've been creating more Etsy tutorials, you'll know that I started my own Etsy shop selling Canva Templates. My Etsy shop, Penny Street Studio, sells Canva templates for solopreneurs and small business owners. And if you've watched some of my most recent videos, you'll have heard me talk about the program that I'm creating, the Passive Income with Canva course. Now, this course is pretty much the step-by-step process that I took myself in order to open up my own Etsy shop. I share all the knowledge, tips, and tricks that I've learned along the way so that you can go ahead and pretty much duplicate it for yourself. Now, although it's still a working process, I'm so excited to announce that I'll finally be opening up the course to the first round of beta customers on the 31st of May. This means that for anyone who registered their interest by joining the waitlist of the program, these people will be granted access to the course at a very highly discounted price. Now, if you are interested in being one of the first to be in this program, be sure to register your interest by signing up at aliciaraffi.com/Canva course. I'll also leave a link in the description box below so you can go check that out. Now, late last year, I shared a video about a program by the lovely duo Michelle and Aimee of Secret Owl Society, all about how to create a digital planner. The digital planner template kit gives you a step-by-step process along with templates on how to create your own unique digital planners that you can go ahead and sell on Etsy. The beautiful thing about this program is that you don't need any design background or experience in order to create these planners. Now, I still refer to and use this course to this day, so I highly suggest going ahead and checking it out. I've seen hundreds of students use my special link to get access to the course, and then I go ahead and see them in the Facebook group. There's a private Facebook group that goes along with the program, and I'm seeing their success stories of creating and uploading and listing their very first digital planner on Etsy. It's actually really incredible. So if this is an idea that you've been thinking about, I highly suggest going and checking out the program. It's called the Digital Planner Template Kit. I'll also leave a link just above me here on the screen to the original video that I created, which goes into more depth about this program. I actually share a walkthrough of the program so you can go ahead and see if it's right for you. Now, another program that I took alongside the Digital Planner Template Kit was a program all about how to create digital stickers. I figured that in order to increase my order value of my digital planners, it would be great to offer my customers digital stickers to go along with it, and then create kind of like bundles, which included a digital planner, a digital notebook, and then the digital stickers as well. So the go-to girl for creating digital stickers has got to be Michelle Simpkin of Wild and Solo. Now, the program that I took was so great. It not only included a whole range of templates that you could use to create the actual stickers yourself, but it includes in-depth tutorials by Michelle. She is super passionate about what she does. She's also a digital planner seller as well. So if this is something you're interested in, I again will leave a link to that program just below in the description box. And the final product idea that just blew me away with some of those revenue numbers, was the Procreate brushes. Now, although I'm yet to give this digital product idea a go for myself, I did some research and I found a video by Holly of Holly Pixels that demonstrates how you can actually create a brush, like a lettering brush, using Procreate that you can then go ahead and sell as a digital product. Now, I'll leave a link to that video in the description box below, just in case you're curious and want to learn more about how to create Procreate brushes. Okay, so there we go, friends. 4 digital products that you can go ahead and create and sell on Etsy, helping you to create a passive income online. Now, these are just 4 of the top products that I found using Allura. So if you want to go ahead and use the product seeker tool for yourself to see what other digital products you can sell on Etsy, then be sure to sign up for a free trial with Allura using my special link just below in the description box. And if you want more information about how you can use Allura for your Etsy research, then be sure to go ahead and just check out this video that I've got just here for you. Okay, friends, have an absolutely fantastic day and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.